Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the AGARO Grace 1.8 litre electric kettle. There's an image of the kettle right on top. As you can see over here, it's written double layered body for high safety, and there's some specifications here. The capacity is 1.8 litres as I mentioned earlier. It has a wattage of 1500 and runs on a volt of 230 volts. The model is of course called Grace, and that's more or less it. I'm going to open this box and show you what's inside. So there you go, this is what you get inside the box. First up we have the power base. This is the detachable 360-degree power base that comes with these grooves underneath where you can actually store this cable. It has good cable management that comes with it, and you will notice metallic coils inside the power unit. This is the electric kettle in question. This is the 1.8 litre electric kettle. It has metallic components to it, but this part is made out of solid ABS plastic. This is the other part of the coil. Some parts are here, the other parts are here. So basically you are supposed to put it on like this and then use it. You open it by sliding this knob over here. Just slide it and pull, and you open it. Notice that this comes with a very wide mouth, and the interior is of course made out of stainless steel, and as is the spout right over here. So the idea is that you pour water in here, connect this to a power source, lock it in, and then press this button like this to start heating water. Once water gets heated to the boiling point, it will automatically switch off. What else is there? This locking mechanism is also an added feature. So the idea is that this particular single touch locking lid will keep you safe from harm. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the AGARO Grace 1.8 litre electric kettle. Thank you for watching.